Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogo ani o channel faidi jengtini nalenai ketal job notification obongkha NIELIT ni hoite Agartala NIELIT ni full form norok saimana bini full form ongkha National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology obongkha boni website norok o jaga thangai nainamuchungka hanke type khaidi nielit.gov.in/agartala/ aboni pore boni o website open nai just o jaga no kaisa option tongo recruitment hene o jaga click khaidi aboni pore o page khulukjak nai norok o jaga nugui mano walk-in interview will be held at NIELIT Agartala for engagement in various position faidi o jaga jeng click khaine nai pura notification nainani bagai omo angnai A walk-in interview will be held at NIELIT Agartala for engagement in the following positions with consolidated pay for short-term contract basis. Takhwk bwkhwk o job ni bagai walk-in interview nai tai o job ongkha contract basis short-term tai nugimano obongkha post ni bumungrok te obongkha qualification te obongkha date of interview. Faidi cheng nalene puila post ni bumungongkha faculty obongkha computer ni bagai oboni bagai qualification nangnai BE haike BTech haike MSc haike MTech in computer science haike ba IT or equivalent or MCA or DOEACC B level with 60% marks tai borok desirable renai knowledge of cloud computing haike AI haike multimedia haike Python haike app development jara oboni tui qualification tonerok norok o job ni bagai apply khaimano oboni bagai date of interview ongkha 9 September 2021 next post ni bumongkha faculty electronics oboni bagai qualification nangnai BE haike BTech haike MSc haike MTech in electronics or equivalent with 60% marks they borok desirable renai knowledge of embedded system haike MATLAB haike ORCAD oboni bagai date of interview ongkha 10th September 2021 aboni pore posting bomongkha technical assistant oboni bagai qualification nangnai BSc in CSC haike IT haike electronics or equivalent or graduate with IT haike CHM haike MAT O haike A level or 3 years diploma in engineering in CSC haike IT haike electronics or equivalent oboni bagai interview ongnai 13 September 2021 aboni pore posting bumongkha web and app developer oboni bagai qualification nangnai BCA haike BE haike BTech haike MSc haike MCA haike MTech in CSC IT or equivalent having experience in web portal designing and development using Java, PHP, MySQL, Python and knowledge in CMS. Oboni bagai date of interview ongkha 13 September 2021. Aboni pore tongo faculty chemistry ni bagai. Oboni bagai qualification nangnai MSc in chemistry with 60% marks. Date of interview ongkha 14 September 2021. Aboni pore tongo faculty amongkha physics ni bagai qualification nangnai MSc in physics with 60% marks tai oboni bagai date of interview ongkha 14 September 2021 aboni pore tongo faculty amongkha accounts ni bagai qualification nangnai BCom haike MCom with 60% marks and having knowledge of Tally tai date of interview ongkha 15 September 2021 aboni pore last post ni bumongkha faculty soft skill ni bagai oboni bagai qualification nangnai postgraduate haike graduate in any stream having prior experience in soft skill training and personality development tai oboni bagai date of interview ongkha 15 September 2021 takhwk bwkhwk jediro noni interview klayo norok adino reporting ma khainai 9:30 am ni simi 11 am jora on all days for respective post. The location of posting may be at NIELIT Agartala or at any of its study centers Khwlwmkha Joto Kalasora takhwk te bwkhwk sok norok o job interview romani pore selection khangke nongno posting rejangnai hai keba NIELIT Agartala hai keba Khwlwmkha hai keba Monugat hai keba Kalasarabo posting rejangnai. Number of posts will be as per requirement of the institute. takhwk te bwkhwk sok norok jodi obonoti eligible tongkhangke hai ke norok obonoti interest tongkhangke norok apply khaimano tai norok o video no share khaidi jate buibo oboni information mane obonoti apply khaimanto tin bagi ashik no belai kheno hambai khwlwmkha.